Hello everyone. So I believe lots of you yesterday finished the assignment, our 5 themes, identifying 5 themes, the postcard assignment, but only 12 of you so far have submitted. A few of you have shared the document with me, given me edit access, but that is not submitting the assignment. So right now I'm on my page under student view, so this should look just exactly as it looks for you. So when submitting assignments, you click on assignments, okay, and then here it is, identifying 5 themes of geography, maps, and titles. So when you click on it, it says, open and make a copy, which most of you should have. You're going to save this under the Unit 1 Human Geography. Okay. It also encourages you to use your class notes. So you click Submit Assignment, and then you're going to click on Google Drive. Now it says this tool is not available while masquerading, because if you see here, I'm in student view, so I am masquerading on my page as a student. But when you click on Google Drive, that's where you go to the Social Studies 6th grade 2020-2021 folder. Then inside that folder, you click on Unit 1 Human Geography, and then you click on the Identifying 5 Themes and Maps assignment to upload. So once it's there, you will then click the Submit button that I cannot click right now, and then you are good to go. Thank you.